bass notes. You're gonna make a 4, 17, 12 and a half bass notes. You're gonna copy and paste those, bring them on up. Look at that. Cut them in half, drag them around. Look at that. Play them. Awesome. All right, now you're gonna make some chords. You see this? We got the A sharp, some notes, everything like that. Beautiful. We're gonna delete some stuff, move them over, arpeggiate everything, make it repetitive. Control B, Control B, Control B, Control B, Control B. We're gonna move some notes up and down, make it less make it less uh make it less repetitive, that's the word. Add a couple notes, make it a little bit different. Control R or Alt R, randomize the notes. Alt S, strum the notes, make them a little real. Fab Filter Pro Q3, just cut off the mud, some muddiness. RC20, make it sound cooler. Atmosphere tone. You're gonna grab like a bell or like a pad, throw it on there. EQ it. Sounds cool. Let's slap some reverb. That's what it sounds like without it. Right, look at that. Slap some reverb on there. Beautiful. Without it, empty. With it, full. Beautiful. All right, violin. Let's make this sound emotional. I want to cry listening to this. We're going to just make some chords like we did with the piano. See what we're going to put in. Right here, chords. Now I'm going to go off those notes. Put those up an octave. Beautiful. EQ the violin a little bit. Take off all that low end. Some frequencies in the middle that I didn't really like. Just turn it down slightly. All right, now we're gonna add a pad to this thing. So we're gonna copy and paste the piano notes, the top notes, come over to our pad layer, copy and paste it, bring it down. Add some effects on it, EQ it, add a filter freak, make it have like that sweeping effect. Delay piano. EQ, fourth delay on it, boom, done. Mwah. All right, so pitched up piano, I'm gonna just throw this on there. Just pitch it on up. Just add some variation to the beat, make it a little less boring. Beautiful. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this. I want to make more videos like this. But peace out.